Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we'll learn to create another illusion design. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we'll select the line segment tool, which is this tool. And the shortcut key is, as you can see, the backslash key. So by the backslash key, we'll create a line like this. Now press V and we will increase its size. Now go to Effect. Go to Distort and Transform, and then click on Zigzag. After clicking on this, you can click on Smooth and make more segments like this. We'll create 8 segments and we will increase the size a little bit. Then click on OK. Now we will expand it by clicking on Object and then Expand Appearance. After that, click on Stroke, increase the size to 30 and then change it from uniform to this one. Okay, like this. We'll again expand it, but I think we should increase the size like this. So after increasing the size, we'll expand this object like this, and now we will make duplicates of this object. Like by selecting this object, you need to select the rotate tool, and by holding Alt, you can make a copy of this object. And then you need to select this shape and then you need to rotate it. We'll make 6 duplicates. I think that's enough. And now we'll change its colors. So start with the second one. And I have some sample colors here. I will give the color code in the description so you can check it. Yes, we have changed the colors. Now we'll group this and decrease the size a little bit. After that, we'll again select the tool, rotate tool, by clicking on the R key. Click on the center here. And now make another copy by pressing Alt and rotate it like this. Now you can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and D like this. And as you can see that we have created a design, an illusion design. What I do is I will select all of these shapes and I will group it. After grouping it, I will create a circle by holding Alt and Shift. Now I will select this shape and the circle both. Now I will click on this one, which is the crop pathfinder tool. Now it is cropped equally, and this is how we have created another illusion design. So let me know your comments on this design. And if you like this video and if you have learned from this video, you can hit on the like button and subscribe the channel for another videos like this.